Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera, a nice tailgate step with mud flaps on the rear. We have a nice black gripped running board, side view camera with mud flaps on the front, spotlights and turn light indicated. And moving to the front real quick, we do get the nice black hood deflector, front park sensing with recovery hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably with this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space. We have floor mats, carpeted interior with 120 volt outlet, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, cup holders. We do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is pretty handy for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, auto stop booster, lights, spotlights, and parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 13 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we have My View, trip and feel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have our gear select with our speeds. It is collapsible, storage, cup holders, more storage here with some outlets. Got that leather-wrapped center console here with tons of storage. We have our drive modes, rear locking diff and four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, engine start-stop, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, storage right here. We do get a nice powered rear window opener. And looking at our main screen here, we do get a 360 view of our vehicle, and we can change the camera angles. We have our hazards and traction just down there, and your park assist. And looking here, we have our audio, which AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls just right here as well. Navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, zone lighting, all that jazz. And any apps you may download will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FB35197, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.